Teaching Hospital in Nnewi, the students, nurse and doctor, they are doing protests. The reason why they are doing protests is because the school fees when they pay 90,000 and what? 580,000 naira. School fees when they pay 90,000 naira, they now increase them to 580,000 naira. How can poor people train their children in this school? So they are doing protests. This is in Nnewi Teaching Hospital, Nnewi University. Yeah. So this is what is happening today. Today being March 10, 2026. They are doing protests. The students, they are doing protests. They are not happy.
All right. The issue on ground is that the school management has increased our school fees from 90,000 to 580,000. Let me break this down for everybody to understand. Let me break it down for everybody to understand. At the initial stage, ROM, we the basic nursing students are to pay 115,000 for the first year semester, throughout the first year semester. Then from the second semester, we are to pay 90,000, and second year and third year 90,000. But there is this new program that they recruited. That's the ND students. They paid 250,000 for their initial payment. You understand? But now the school and the hospital management have increased everything drastically from the 250k the ND students are paying and the 90k that we the basic nursing midwives are paying to 250,000. Not just that, they to 580,000 the school fees. Not just that, they equally increased the hostel fee from 120,000 to 200,000. Everything is moving drastically up. They are trying to frustrate us. We all came here as having it in mind that we are in federal government that is for poor masses, that people that cannot fend for themselves, they can enroll in federal government school, so that it will be easy and less. It will be easy and less monetary stuff for the parents, that for the people. You understand? So that's what will basically cause this riot, this and this protest. We are calling on the federal government, whoever person that is in charge, that they should do something about this thing with immediate effect.